Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. Today I put together some really great game deals that you can do this Saturday, March 18th at Dollar General. If you enjoyed the deals, please do me a huge favor, hit the thumbs up like button, subscribe here to my channel. It goes a long way to help support my work here at LoveLiveSave. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of the new style of deal video that I put together for you today. I've kind of changed some things up in the never-ending quest to evolve my channel, so let me know what you think down below in the comments. So let's get started with the deals. For our first deal, grab 2 cans of Febreze Air Effects, 2 bottles of Gain Power Blast sprays, and then one of the 60 count tubs of Gain Flings. You gotta make sure you pay attention to this one. Do not get the 51 count. The coupon won't come off. It has to be the 60 count tub. So let's review everything. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $31.95. But we have $20.29 worth of digital coupons here. So that brings our total out of pocket all the way down to just $11.66 plus tax. So that makes for a total savings of 64% off for this deal. For our second deal, we're going to grab 2 bottles of my favorite Gain Power Blast sprays. Grab 3 cans of Febreze Air Effects. Now we have 2 coupons you gotta clip with this one. First, clip the $3.30 off of 2 Febreze coupon, as well as the $1 off of 1 Febreze coupon. Then grab one of the smaller size bottles of Gain detergent, and then finally one of the medium sized bottles of Gain fabric softener. So when we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $32.25. Now we have $21.79 worth of coupons here, and I forgot to mention in the previous scenario, that includes the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon and the 5 off of 30 Gain coupon. That's, of course, assuming that your store hasn't already updated their register systems, by the way. That brings our total out of pocket down to just $10.46 plus tax. That makes for a total savings of 68% off. What an amazing deal to stock up for your family. Our third Gain deal is relatively simple and easy to do. Grab one of the big bottles of Gain fireworks, and when I say big, if you've ever seen this bottle in person, it is huge. Then grab 2 bottles of Gain dish soap. Now we don't have a coupon for them, but like I always tell you, that is totally okay. We can still get a good deal on it. And then grab 2 bottles of Gain Power Blast sprays. I love this coupon. Such an awesome time to stock up. So let's add everything up. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $30.85. We have $16.99 worth of coupons. So that brings our total out of pocket down to just $13.86, plus tax, of course. So that makes for a total savings of 55% off for this deal. Our fourth Gain deal is a really good one if you want to stock up on some great Gain scented cleaning products. Grab 2 of the Gain Power Blast sprays, 2 Febreze fabric refreshers with Gain. Now there's 2 different sizes of them. You gotta make sure you get the $4 size. 1 bottle of Gain fabric softener. Now, if this is a product that you like using for your family, this is probably one of the best coupons that we've had for it in a while that I remember. We usually on average only get $1 off. So $1.50 off might be a really good opportunity for you to take advantage of the deal and stock up. And then finally, one of the big bottles of Gain fabric softener. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $34.95. I know that's a little high, but like I always tell you, that's why we coupon, right? After our $21.79 worth of coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.16 plus tax. So that makes for a total savings of 62% off for this deal. One of my favorite things to work into my Gain deals is the more rare Gain scented cleaning supplies. I think a lot of people really expect when they see Gain deals, they're expecting detergent, they're expecting the dryer sheets, etc., but they don't think of all the different cleaning supplies that Dollar General has that is Gain scented. Now, granted, there's a lot of products that the coupon's not attaching to, and don't get me started on that, but for this deal, grab one of the gallon-sized bottles of Gain scented Mr. Clean Cleaner, 2 Gain scented Swiffer Wet Jet refills. This is a really rare coupon, so like I always tell you, if this is something that your family uses, take advantage of this time and focus on stocking up. And then grab 2 Gain Power Blast sprays. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes at $32. We have $19.99 worth of digital coupons, so that brings our final total down to just $12.01 plus tax. So that makes for a total savings of 62% off for some really great cleaning supplies. Let's stock up on some more Gain scented cleaning supplies. For our 6th deal, grab one of the smaller size bottles of Mr. Clean Cleaner, again with Gain, super important. 2 Febreze Air Effects, one of the medium sized bottles of Gain Fireworks, and then one of the larger size bottles of Gain Fireworks. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $33.95. Now we have $18.80 worth of digital coupons here, so that brings our final total down to just $15.15 plus tax, or a 55% off savings. For our 7th Gain deal, grab 2 Gain Power Blast sprays, 2 Gain dish soaps. We don't have a coupon for it, but that's okay. 2 packs of the 2-count Febreze Air Effects, a single can of Febreze Air Effects, and then 1 bottle of Mr. Clean Cleaner. So let's add everything up. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $33.15. We have $18.79 worth of digital coupons. So that brings our final total down to just $14.36 plus tax, or a 57% off savings. For our 8th Gain deal, we're going to grab 1 pack of Febreze Small Spaces, 2 Febreze Air Effects, 2 Gain Power Blast sprays, and 1 60-count tub of Gain Flings. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $35.20. We have $21.29 worth of digital coupons here, so that brings our final total down all the way to $13.91 plus tax. That makes for a total savings of 60% off. Our 9th Gain deal is a really good example that just because you don't have a coupon for it does not mean you can't still score a great deal. I don't know why we almost never get coupons for the Gain powder detergent, but we're still going to get a good deal. So for our 9th deal, grab 1 box of Gain powder detergent. The one is $12.25. 3 cans of Febreze Air Effects. Now, like before, there's 2 different coupons clipped. So first you clip the $3.30 off a 2 Febreze coupon, and the $1 off Febreze coupon. And then grab 2 Gain Power Blast sprays. Our total retail value comes to $31.50 for this deal. We have $18.29 worth of digital coupons. So that brings our final total down to just $13.21 plus tax, or 58% off. For our 10th Gain deal, grab one of those 60-count tubs of Gain Flings, 2 Febreze Fabric Refreshers, the $4 size bottle, 1 Febreze Air Effects, and 1 bottle of Gain Fabric Softener. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $31.70. We have $18.80 worth of digital coupons, so that makes our final total just $12.90 plus tax, or a 59% off savings. I just want to give a quick shout out to all of my amazing Patreon subscribers. Thank you so much for your ongoing support. If you're interested in becoming one of my Patreon subscribers, I'll have all the information down in the video description, where you'll find all the information you need to get started. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, one of the easiest ways to support my work, because one of the things I don't talk about here on my YouTube channel is my YouTube channel is actually my job. Like, my channel pays for my family's bills. So one of the easiest ways to thank me and support my work is to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. That's a really big one. And share the video with all your friends so that we can all save as much money as we can in 2023. We don't pay full price here at LoveLiveSave. And I will see you in the next video.